ECDL Advanced, PowerPoint, Lesson 21, Editing Images. There are many commands on the ribbon that can be used to alter the appearance of images on slides. To return the cropped image from the last lesson to its original size and content, right-click on the image and select Size and Position. From the Size area of the pane, click Reset. Close the pane. Click and drag a corner handle to resize the image to about twice its original size. Right-click on the image and select Size and Position. Notice in the Size area how Lock Aspect Ratio, that's here, is checked. This means that when height and width settings are changed, they change in relation to each other to maintain the proportions of the image. Change Scale Height to 100%. If we click in Scale Width, notice how the width will have changed proportionally. So it changed this to 100% as well. This time, uncheck the Lock Aspect Ratio, then change the scale height to 60% and click Close. As we can see, the image is now squashed because it has been rescaled disproportionately. Back into Size and Position, and this time in the Size section, select Reset, and this restores the picture to its original form. If we go into Picture Format, we can find several buttons to change the appearance of the selected picture. Click Color and move the mouse over the options to preview them. Select Grayscale. The image changes to the appearance of a monochrome photograph. Click Color again, and this time select Black and White 50%. This will now display the image in only those two shades. If we click Color again, and this time select Washout, this will display the image as a watermark which can be used as the background to other slide content. To restore the picture to its original appearance, right-click on the image, select Format Picture, select Picture from the Format Picture pane, expand the picture color, and then click Reset. Then close the pane. With the picture still selected, click Corrections from the Adjust group and move the mouse over the icons to see the effects. Click Picture Corrections Options, and in the pane set the brightness to 20% and the contrast to -30%. Many other image formatting operations can be controlled from the Format Picture pane. Fill and line options allow various color and types of line and fill. The effects options allow many special effects to be applied. The Size and Position options control size, position, text boxes, and alternative text settings. And the Picture options, which we've seen already, controls picture corrections, color, and cropping. Select Picture Corrections from Picture, so onto Picture. In Picture Corrections, select Reset. Now we're back to where we started from again. Now close this pane. Create a new title-only slide and name it Transparency. Display the Insert tab, click Pictures, and this time insert the artwork graphic from the Data Files folder. In the Arrange group, select Group and then Ungroup. We then get a message, this is an imported picture, not a group. Do you want to convert it to a Microsoft Office drawing object? Yes, we do. And now, more editing options are available. With the graphic selected, click on the triangle to select just the triangle. Right-click the triangle and select Format Shape. With Fill expanded in the Format Shape panel, select Picture or Texture Fill. Click the Texture drop-down and select Paper Bag. This shape is now filled with this texture. Drag the transparency slider to approximately 40%. And now, to add a picture border, expand the line options, which is at the bottom. Select Solid Line, that's down here, and notice the effect of the border around the triangle. Click the Colour drop-down button, which you'll find in the Line group. Select a red colour to change the outline. Next, let's drag the triangle so that it covers part of the slide title. I'm hoping you can see that the text will be partially seen through the transparent shape. Press Delete to remove the triangle. Let's select the square. Then in the Drawing group, look for Shape Outline and select Orange from the standard colours. This is another way to apply an outline to a shape. Now I may need to zoom in a little here so you can see it, but I'm hoping you can see there is an orange border now around that blue square. Click Shape Outline again, and this time select Weight. From the options, select 3-point, and hopefully we can notice the effect of having a thicker border than we had before. Click Shape Outline again, and select Dashes. Select any of these. Okay, I think you should be spending a little time experimenting with the various picture editing and colouring features that are available. When you've finished, save the presentation and leave it open for the next lesson. I'd suggest let's save it as Shapes 2. As an aside, if objects overlap, you can use the Bring Forward and Send Backward buttons in the Arrange group to move them up and down in the stack. I know this has been a long one. I hope it's made some sense. Thanks for bearing with, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we'll be discussing different image formats. See you then.